bede pe je katana social welfare ba polong do ni sngi ha bakren hilat puthai kubor hadin jong ka cabinet meeting laong ba kadon ki kenhun ba pher ke batrai hapo ka jingpe jong katana ban ai jing rap ya ki pajba kani katanan kadang trei shitom ban pynduh no ya ka jing thombor persya ya ki kynthei ba ki khynnah su laong ba kadai jingjia ka basnopsi ka balajia hakini ki khndiat sngi ke baladep yntrei Nagaland jong katanat kana mailat satya yikum kini kijingwan jia bat kan wat bnia bha man shitom ya gitu bedon kiti kebujule ya kikam sneu.
The cabinet has just met under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Konrad K. Sangma, and today we took up a number of very important decisions which will have a long-lasting positive impact on the state and its people. I'm joined by our Commissioner and Secretary Home, who will assist me in briefing on 3 items concerning Home Police Department. But we will begin by announcing to you that the Cabinet today took up the matter of discontinuation of interview for Group D posts across the state. This proposed discontinuation of interview for Group D posts is in conformity with our well-established policy of ensuring maximum transparency in the recruitment process to various posts, beginning with Group D posts. This is also as part of our compliance to instructions of the Government of India in the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India. So, in line with this decision, all appointments for Group D posts will be done without recourse to the process of interview. This will take effect from the 1st of October 2025, meaning it will have a prospective effect, meaning that all such interviews that are scheduled from the 1st of October this year will be minus the need for the candidates to sit for personal interviews. This will also help to speed up our process of appointment and recruitment to various posts and ensure, as I mentioned, transparency and efficiency of the system. On matters relating to rules which have to be adopted by the state government, I would call on Cyril to brief you on items 3, 4 and 5, right?
Yes,
In fact, the fact that we have these various bodies which function under the guidance of the Social Welfare Department shows our continued commitment in eliminating atrocities committed against women and children. It is a disturbing trend, but we will leave no stone unturned to bring these perpetrators to book. And I'm happy that the various commissions and committees under the department are functioning really well, and we have committed and capable leaders heading these various committees and commissions.